go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Continuous. Every time you roll, you should feel your chi getting strong and strong and strong. You should feel your lung function getting strong and strong. Your skin should feel getting smoother and smoother and smoother. Rolling your thumb. Now feel this thumb hold the full moon. Now the entire full moon is in your thumb or on your thumb, depending your imagination. Now you are not rolling the thumb anymore. You are turning the moon. You are turning the moon. Now you entire whole body turned with the moon together. Can you feel that kind of power? Continuous. Feel that. And feel that. And feel that. Roll. And continue rolling that. You're getting there. Couple more times. We're together. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now you can stop. Feel this moment. You with the full moon. What's the relationship? How do you feel? Your thumb, your skin, your lung, and your chi. And the last is your life. Good. Now you can open your eyes. You will think your life should be bright as a full moon. That's your wishes.